Yeah, viewers, yes, subscribers, big up on yourself, you know. People, me know you know pray the thing, right? Because you know, say, you know, Tommy Lee, you know, him and the MVP at it. Because remember the other day, you know, Tommy Lee and the MVP, they kick off in a way, a real way, which him send out a lot of tracks against Jamil, and Jamil launch a lot against him. Well, viewers and subscribers, right now, with the shooting we're going with Mavado over the weekend, Tommy Lee have something to say about that. You get me? Because New Link knows that Tommy Lee is a man, you know. Him nah go just keep quiet. Him a go say something. And viewers, right now, you know, this is where Tommy Lee have to say to Mavado. The man them who have to kill me. Him dead in an abortion. So him not born yet. Them boy they not bad. Viewers and subscribers. So you know what that mean? What the man a try to show you is, you know, them not bad. He might make you know say right now. Nobody not there on earth we can kill him right now. Because he must show you say him thing govern. Him thing stay away. And him not end him say them there not bad. So viewers and sub. We know say we not pray no war for the artists them. Because New Link always a pray peace. So we just want the artists them to keep it on a peace level. But you don't know say a artist and artists them. And them are going to just push out them hashtag and them thing against each other. Because me know say I just the vibes them I try bring in the music. You understand? With the artists them. But when I check it out, I know nothing personal. Because we say even Popcorn make him post, Killer make him post, and a lot of artists make them post about the whole situation. So we don't know say I know nothing what them are going to deal with physically. You get me? But in the end, we just glad for know say Gully got alright and him good still. You understand? Because viewers and subscribers, it could have been worse. Him could have been a dead man. But in the end, him is alive. And Jano, we would like to know say he Gully got dropped out. So we really feel happy to know say him good. You get me? Although enough of the information them we put out and I saw it go about the whole situation. But we just glad for know say the boss alright. So viewers and subscribers, don't know this is New Link Production, and we just come for going to the latest and the breaking news. So viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. This is who New Link.